key no longer in use because I'm now using triangle key. Okay.
Going up.
These are the yellow lifts at Wellington Hospital. They're 70's OTIS lifts which have been modernised by KONE, as you can see. Don't know what these inside buttons are. I think these might be Schindler D-Series. I don't actually know. But we'll watch the floor indicator going up though. We are at level 13. Here we are at level 13.
Going down. Going down.
It's got quite a nice interior, as you can see. Looks like up there's where the original floor indicator used to be. 1,814 kgs or 26 persons. Yes, non-stop.
Billet floor.
Instant door close. Won't let me select the button until after it's arrived at the floor. We are back at level 13.
13th floor. Going down.
So the original OTIS door track, as you can see, we'll watch the floor indicator again going down. Gee, these are very quick.
12th floor.
Going down?
Going down.
Just down to 3?
Yes, thank you. Fifth floor.
Oh, we're stopping again. Going down?
Yep.
Down to 3?
That's the main place, isn't it? Yeah. Copy of the 3 o'clock shuttle. I was hoping to change it to 2.
Gee, that indicator changes quickly.
Fourth floor.
After you guys.
Going up.
There it goes. And that's it.